Hey, welcome back. Let's talk about something real today. Something almost every English learner struggles with. Talking about simple daily life. Strange, right? You can understand long sentences and difficult words, but when someone asks, "How was your morning?" your mind suddenly goes blank. Don't worry, there's nothing wrong with you. This happens to thousands of learners I talk to every day. And today, we're going to fix it, step by step. Okay, let's get practical. Here are some real-life situations learners face and the exact English sentences you can use. Try repeating them out loud as we go. 1. You don't know how to start the sentence. Phrase, my day started with, meaning how your morning began. Use when someone asks about your morning. Examples. My day started with a rush. My day started with a cup of tea. My day started with reading the news. Quick tip. You can use small details to make it sound natural. 2. You forget simple words during conversations. Phrase, I'm trying to remember the right word. Meaning, you need a moment. Use when your mind goes blank. Example, I'm trying to remember, oh yeah, deadline. I'm trying to remember, appointment. Mini challenge. Try saying it the next time your mind goes blank. 3. You feel shy because your sentences feel childish. Phrase, I'm keeping it simple. Meaning, you're speaking with purpose. Use when you're nervous about mistakes. Example, I'm keeping it simple. I worked, ate, and relaxed. I'm keeping it simple. I read, cooked, and took a walk. 4. You don't know how to describe your feelings. Phrase, I felt a bit, meaning mild, honest emotion. Use when talking about mood. Examples, I felt a bit tired. I felt a bit stressed. I felt a bit happy after my coffee. 5. You can't explain small daily actions. Phrase, I was just, meaning casual, everyday activity. Use when you're describing something simple. Examples, I was just cooking. I was just getting ready. I was just reading a book. 6. You don't know how to talk about your rest or breaks. Phrase, I just needed a break. Meaning, you were tired or wanted rest. Use when talking about low energy moments. Example, I didn't do much this afternoon. I just needed a break. I went for a short walk because I just needed a break. 7. You want to describe quiet or alone time. Phrase, I spent some time with myself. Meaning, personal or peaceful moments. Use when you were alone intentionally. Example, I spent some time with myself this weekend, reading, thinking, or just relaxing. 8. You want to describe a slow or unproductive day. Phrase, I didn't get much done today. Meaning, you planned things but didn't complete them. Use when
low energy days. Example: I wanted to clean my room, but I didn't get much done today. I tried to study, but I didn't get much done today. 9. You want to describe how fast time feels. Phrase: it went by so fast, meaning the day or weekend felt short. Use when time seems to fly. Example: I can't believe it's Monday already. The weekend went by so fast. Wow, the meeting went by so fast. You see, speaking English isn't about sounding perfect. It's about describing your real life. The small things, the quiet moments, the slow mornings, the breaks, and even fast weekends. When you learn to express your day honestly, your English grows, and your confidence grows too. What did you do this morning? Try saying it using "my day started with." Try using these sentences in your next conversation. Notice how natural it feels when you describe your real life. See you in the next episode.